Chapter 3, Section 1, Inequalities. Alright, let's start off with the symbol itself. That one is called good, less than. And that one is called less than or equal to. How many of you have a hard time remembering the difference between the symbols? Which way does this one point? Elena? What direction does it point right now? To the left. And less than starts with an L, doesn't it? So when it points to the left, it's less than. Points to the left, it's less than. Okay? So if it points to the right, it's called greater than. And you can say less than points to the left. So that one with the line under it is greater than or equal to. Got it? The solution to an inequality any number that makes the inequality true. Alright, so how would you read this one? Any volunteers? Taylor. Very good. X is less than or equal to negative 7. Agreed? Alright. Ricky. Nice. Brandon.
J is less than negative 171.
Very good. Okay, for this first inequality, give me a value of x that would be a solution to that inequality. Sarah? Okay, just give me a number that's less than negative 7. Okay, let's do this then. Can you picture this in your head? Can you picture a number line in your head? Good. There's 0 on the number line, right? And if negative 7 is right here, then anything to this side of negative 7 is less than negative 7, isn't it? So anything out there is less than negative 7. So negative 8 is a solution. Negative 9 is a solution. Anything less than or equal to negative 7 is a solution, isn't it? Is negative 7 a solution?
Yeah.
Good, because it says or equal to, right? Give me a solution to the m is greater than 3. Sarah? 4, good. Dan, what about j is less than negative 171? Negative 172, good. All right. Look at problem 2 on page 175. Identifying solutions by evaluating. They give you 2x plus 1. And they tell you that it's greater than negative 3. And they ask, is the number a solution? Okay, so they're saying, is negative 3 a solution? All right, is negative 3 a solution to this inequality? Well, what you do in that case is you plug the negative 3 in for x. So you do 2 times negative 3 plus 1, and you see if it's greater than negative 3. What's 2 times negative 3? Negative 6 plus 1. Negative 5. Is that greater than negative 3? No. Okay, so negative 3 is not a solution. Okay? Everybody all right there? Good. Is negative 1 a solution? Is negative 1 a solution? You take 2, you multiply it by negative 1, you add 1 to it. Is it greater than negative 3? Well, I don't know. What's 2 times negative 1? Negative 2 plus 1. Negative 1. Is it greater than negative 3? Yes, it is. Okay. Who can tell me why it's greater than negative 3? Taylor. It's closer to 0. Very good. It's further to the right on the number line, isn't it? All right. Further to the right on the number line. So if you're asked if a number is a solution to an inequality, okay? If you're asked if a number is a solution to an inequality, you take the number, you substitute it into the variable in the inequality, and you just work the problem out. Okay? If the number you substituted makes the inequality true, then it's a solution. If it makes the inequality false, then it's not a solution. Clear? You clear? Good. Page 176. Okay, look at number 1 in the lesson check. What algebraic inequality represents all real numbers y that are greater than or equal to 12? Any volunteers to write that algebraic inequality? For all numbers greater than or equal to 12. And you're going to call those numbers y. Taylor?
Greater than or equal to 12.
Y is greater than or equal to 12. Okay? That's all they're asking you to do there, aren't they? Is that an algebraic inequality? Yes, it is. Does it represent all real numbers greater than or equal to 12? Good. Give me an example of a solution to that inequality. Madison? Very good. 12. Good. Caleb, another solution to that inequality?
13.
Good. 13. Ricky, another one? 40. Good. Good. Excellent. Look at number 2. Is the number a solution to 6x minus 3? 6x minus 3. And what is that? Greater than or equal to 10. Greater than or equal to 10. And they give you an A, B, C, and a D. So that means you got to do each one, don't you? They give you A. What's the value of A? Negative 1. And what's B? 0. And what's C? 3. And what's D? 4. Is the number. That means you got to try them all. So for A, you got to do 6 times negative 1 minus 3 greater than or equal to 10. What's 6 times negative 1? Minus 3. Negative 9. Is negative 9 greater than or equal to 10? No. Yeah. Negative's probably not going to work unless the 6 was negative. Because a negative times a negative would be a positive. But it's not. How about 6 times 0? Minus 3. Is that greater than or equal to 10? No, because 6 times 0 is 0. Minus 3. Negative 3 is not greater than or equal to 10. You can put a little, right? So that's a no. 6 times 3 minus 3. Is that greater than or equal to 10?
Yes.
Yeah, because that's 18 minus 3. 15 is greater than or equal to 10. So that's a... Now, if 3 works, is 4 going to work?
Yes.
Yeah, so don't do the work. Okay?
What would you choose
then? It wasn't a pick the best answer. What does the question say? Is the number a solution? Well, no, no, yes, and yes.
Why do you put no and then you just why? Because he doesn't want to write it out. Yeah, but you go down wow.
To see if you would ask. And you did, so it's a test. It's just a test. Oof. How do you decide whether a number is a solution to an inequality? Somebody want to give me a good answer? How do you decide whether a number is a solution to an inequality? Hope. Alright, so you put it in there and you check. Does that tell you anything? Does that tell you if it's a solution? What was the definition of a solution?
Any number that makes the inequality true.
Any number that makes the inequality true. How do you decide whether a number is a solution of an inequality? Dan? Can we do like a complete sentence?
If the number makes it
Thank you. That's a better answer, isn't it? Good. Nice job. Any questions? Let's look at number 4 there, compare and contrast. What are the differences and similarities between x greater than 5, x greater than or equal to 5? What are the differences? I think that would be a similarity. What are the differences? Ricky? Yeah, one of them is greater than, and the other one's greater than or equal to. Good. What are the similarities? Dan? Six is a solution to both equations, isn't it? Very good. What else? Yeah.
5 should be included in that one. Wait, no, I said that before, and you said it wasn't. You said it was similar.
You said something different.
No, I didn't. I said 5.
Last time you said 5 was in both of them.
No, I said 5 can be included in that one and not in that one.
What did she say? Didn't she say 5 is in both of them? Yeah.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Not, and you said it was similarity. I was like, what am I talking about?
Okay, good. Moving right along. Look at number 5, open-ended. What are 3 possible values for b that make the inequality b is less than or equal to negative 4? b less than or equal to negative 4. 3 possibilities that make this true. Madison, 1 possibility that makes it true. Negative 4. Very good. Dakota, another value that makes it true. Negative 5. We're on a roll now. And another value that makes it true. Felly. Another value that makes this inequality true. Very good. -6. Okay, nice job, class. All right, look down at problems 12 through 15. The directions there say determine whether each number is a solution. That doesn't mean you're going to pick A, B, or C, does it? That means you're going to substitute all of those values, and you're going to have a yes or no answer for A, B, and C. Okay? Okay, good. All right, so page 176 today. 7 through 28.